Hi there, John Armstrong here, and in this video I want to give you a quick demo of exactly how the Aurora system works. Now before I get into that, I just want to show you some of my results that I've been getting from selling high ticket items, which the Aurora system allows you to do. So as you can see today, I've earned $1,855 and yesterday $4,704. So the Aurora system allows you to generate high ticket sales, except you're not the one who's doing the selling. This is all automated in the background, and somebody else, a professional marketer, is going to be selling your traffic into these high ticket offers. Now the system works like this. So it's a two-part software. The second part of the software is where you will create these money pages, okay, which will host an automated webinar where a professional marketer is selling your traffic onto a high ticket offer. And these convert really well. Now on this page, which is your page, you'll also have your buy button, which is hard coded with your affiliate link. So you get the commission from this high ticket sale. Okay, so that's the second part. And the first part of the software is where the traffic is. Now we'll be getting traffic from Instagram and Pinterest. Now, don't worry, you're not going to have to create any content, you're not going to have to post any videos, you're not going to have to post any photos. We're just purely using these social media platforms to generate traffic, and it works like this. So inside the traffic part of Aurora, you're going to load this up with both Pinterest and Instagram accounts, okay? And I show you inside of the training, this is the training members area of Aurora, and inside of here I show you where you can buy these Pinterest accounts and Instagram accounts in bulk for a few dollars, okay? So you're gonna load up the software with your Pinterest and Instagram accounts. Now what will happen is you will go and send these accounts to go and follow the followers of your targets. Say for example you're in the make money online niche, okay, and your offer is a make money online offer, okay? So with the traffic, you're going to go and follow a public figure in the make money online industry. Say for example Grant Cardone, okay? All of Grant Cardone's followers are highly targeted, okay? They're all interested in making money online, they're all interested in wealth, which means that your offer is a very suitable fit for that target audience. So you will go and set your Pinterest and Instagram accounts to go and follow the followers of Grant Cardone, okay? And he has millions of followers, so this will never get saturated. Now what happens when those followers get a notification from Pinterest or Instagram, it will say, Jono's Wealth Solution, or whatever the name of your accounts are, has just started following you. Okay, now they're gonna see that notification, and out of curiosity, they're gonna think, okay, well, I'm interested in wealth, I'm interested in making money online because I'm following Grant Cardone. Jono's wealth system has just started following me. That looks interesting. They'll go and check out your bio, okay? And then in the link inside of your bio, that links to your money page. So these people will automatically go from the traffic to the money page, okay? And then they'll go and watch this automated webinar, which is sold to them by a professional marketer, which is instantly engaging, okay? And then when they pitch the offer, your buy button will appear on this page where you get commissioned very highly for the sale, okay? In most cases, you'll get commissioned like $400 to $1,000 per sale. Now, after you've set up all of your accounts here, it's all completely automated. All you need to do is set up your accounts, insert your accounts, add your accounts, and then select your targets, right? And then after you hit the start button, it's all completely automated. So in the background, all of this traffic is going to the offer page, and the offer page is automated as well, so it's automatically selling them onto this high ticket product. So once you've pressed the start button, you don't really need to do anything else. You just let it run in the background. Now I'm going to show you inside of the software right here. So this is the members area, this is the training, which shows you everything that you need to do step by step to set up the pages. Right, so the money page of Aurora is inside of here. You can see we have the Pinterest and we have the webinar builder. Now all you need to do is click on add a new webinar, then you go and grab your MP4 file from the members area for the automated webinar, and you go and insert it into the video bit here, okay? You can also add your pixel code, you can make a headline, you can call your project something, and then you add in your affiliate link down here, and you choose how many seconds after the auto webinar has started that you want your buy button to show. Now usually this will happen whenever the presenter starts getting into the pitch, right? Once he starts getting into the pitch, your buy button will show on that page, so people can click it and they go via your affiliate link to the checkout where you get commissioned, right? Pretty easy stuff. Right, so that brings me on to the traffic part. Now, on the front end, you get access to the Pinterest traffic. So in here, you simply go and add in your Pinterest accounts, and you can add as many accounts as you like. The more accounts you add, the more traffic you can get. Once you've added your accounts, you go and search for your niche. So for example, make money online, I hit the search button and it will bring up all of these accounts that are to do with make money online that have a lot of followers. Now you can search by followers, by pins, and then you start to follow the followers. So you go and choose your Instagram account, you choose how many followers you want to follow in total. So let's go with 90,000, and you choose how fast you want it to follow them. Okay, so you click on the start button and it will start following this person's followers. And you can do the same for all of these other accounts if you want. And you can do the same for as many Pinterest accounts as you have. Now, similarly with Pinterest, that brings me onto the Instagram side of this. You can automatically go and add your accounts inside of here, inside the accounts manager. Once you've added your accounts, you can go through to the profile of that account and you can go and add in the URL of your money page. Okay, so you can see I've added my URL in here and that will point towards this money page right here. Okay, so once you've set up your accounts correctly, then you get onto the auto following part of it, where you can go and search your keyword, okay, and it will bring up all of the results of which you can go and follow those public figures and follow their followers and get their traffic to go to your money page. Now, as I said, all of this is completely automated. Everything is running in the background so that you can set this up once and then go and forget it and start generating some really good results online every single day. Now, the reason why I made this software is because I know what it's like to struggle, especially when you first get into this whole make money online thing. It's difficult, right? In the beginning, it's difficult. But I also learned from a couple of years of experience that to make any kind of significant money online, you need to be selling high ticket products. Now again, this is super hard in the beginning because you don't have any experience, you don't have any skills in marketing. So that's why I made this, so that somebody else is going to do the selling on your behalf for you, okay? And I also know the importance of targeted traffic. If your traffic is not targeted, then you're going to lose a lot of customers. And that's why I built this Aurora software, to get targeted traffic to go to a high converting offer that does the selling on your behalf. So all you need to do is click the start button and get started. So I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I hope to see you on the inside of Aurora. Take care.